I wanna show you how to animate the line in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, go to Effects and write Right function. Drag the right on or our frame. Scroll down under the Effect controls. Move the playhead to where you want the line animation to begin. Then click on the brush size and brush position. After that, select the right on. On the desktop will appear the cursor. You can move it to the position where you want that your timeline will start. Let's come back to our brush size and increase it. Again, select the right on and move our time head to the position where our timeline is going to finish. Perfect. Press enter and let's see what is going to happen. Cool. It works very good. Let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.